Check these out, dudes. Got some wheel spacers for the beast. Shiny. Because, nice. This thing is a little narrow, especially for its weight. But I'm poor, so we're gonna try we're gonna try the poor man's option for widening it. Hopefully the bump steer won't be intolerable. So let's get to it. They're black now. I felt like I'd prefer that. Black looks better than the raw aluminum, especially on the black rims. I think it would look better. And then the whatever paint job the previous owner did, just painted over everything here. But yeah, so let's do a time lapse and see how it looks with the wider wheelbase. Alright, I think that does look a little better. Oh, phone's hot. Yeah. Not bad. Looks like it'll be maybe a little more stabler. Alright. Time to do the front. Let's see here. How does it look from the side? I can't fit the whole thing in the frame. Yeah, in person I think it looks better. A little bit wider. Hopefully it doesn't look goofy in the front here. So let's take care of that. I think that looks pretty good. Nice. All right, cool. All right, you can't really tell still from the side, but I guess that's not surprising. Sweet. Quick little update. Maybe she'll be a little bit more stable. Because she's a pretty tall ride. I think this had one of the highest ride heights of any quad, just stock, and that was before modifying it, and that probably added 3 or 4 inches at least. That's a big one. Yeah. Oy, crap everywhere. Alright, cool. Hopefully get a ride video soon. But I tore some stuff in my elbow in jiu-jitsu. Getting an MRI soon, hopefully, to see what the damage is. So, that kind of sucks. Anyway, I'll do my best. Just try to heal really hard. Check it out with the wheel spacers. It's looking a little meaner. Nice. A little more proportional with that width Not looking too tall anymore. All right. How about we hear it? Code 11 is the camshaft position sensor, and I have not been able to find one of those for a few months now, so kind of annoying. So I think the camshaft sensor is what is causing that little cough at the beginning. But yeah. Anyways, I don't know why I walked back here. Alright, I'm out of here.